natin dyan sa kanto. Ilang taon na yan, di pa matapos-tapos. Puro pangako, lagi namang napapako. Ay, magbibigay nga ng trabaho, ang laki-laki naman ng kalta sa tax. Saan na pupunta ang budget? Explain to me.
Ay, ito ang budget.
Pangkumpline na ako, pangkumpline na ako. Ay, naku, ito na naman si Hati-Hati kami party list.
Tama.
Ay, walang training, walang speeches, walang grandiose slogan. Mga mamshis, nung pagkain lang. Sod na siya. Sod na siya. Tama!
Libre mangarap. Kasabay nun, sustentuhan mo sila. Suportahan mo sila. Ang pinaka-importante, wag na wag mong uubusin ang sarili. Magtira ka. Lagi. Naalala mo, yung pinanood natin yung 2 weeks ago, dun sa Now You See Me Too. Sabi, the closer you look, the less you see.
I got them from my mother, who toiled, tilled, mined, opportunity after opportunity out of her tired migrant's hand, Pinasatwa Studio 66 Sardines of 6. Find us in 2nd December Street. My mother, nga naning kamot, kag nangisog para sa amon boss damlag. Those hands, those very hands, pinag-ili-ili sa ako, naghakos sa nahilanat ko, nagkapot sa nahadlo ko.
It gets better in time.
I like where we are now. Desert campfires, feet on wet sand, drenched and muddy, but I can finally say, Mama, malayo pa, pero malayo na.
Please bear with me while I connect you to my tongues. Press 1. Ang akong utok gatalang kung ano gamiton magsabat sa imo. Do spaghetti, lambot-lambot. Started pressing 2. Because it's needed. Because it's an edge. Because for survival. Because, just because, pressing 2 became natural, normal. My tongue slowly weaving its way into the fabric of globalization. Para makilala si Sisa at Maria Clara sa kanyang mga pahina. At para na din siguro patunayan na hindi ako mas malansa sa isda. 我很长时间没说中文了. Like visiting someone you haven't seen and spoken for a long time. Drifted apart, but for some mystical reason, the connection is still there. Embedded in some parts of me, I press 5, press 1, press 2, simultaneously, dwatsi, atsi, tipa. Nagsugod ko press 6. Pareho naman ang words when pressing 1, pero ang karon kag karon lahi. The time for later is now. Nadula ka sa dula, lost in the game but not losing. I slowly realized that in my 7th year here, I can press 7, a little, with the help of other buttons. Marhaba, mabuhay, shukran, salamat, salamat, you said when I had a flu. Baffled that our salamat is your shukran. You may press 0. I'm all ready for you.